Hello, everybody. Today is Sunday, March 22nd, 2026. We find ourselves just outside of Garibaldi, Oregon, a little bit north of Tillamook, Oregon. If you know anything about the Tillamook brand, then you know they make awesome cheese and awesome jerky and pepperoni sticks, things like that. We were actually on our way up to Rockaway to do a video of the original Pronto Pup location, which for those of you that don't know is like a corn dog kind of. But it was so packed. There was literally 60 people there, and you couldn't even park anywhere within half a mile of the place. So we bagged that idea. We're headed back towards Tillamook to find a great seafood restaurant to eat at. We think we may have found one in Neatards. We'll see. But we saw this on the side of the road, and I'm a huge jerky and pepperoni fan. So we had to stop in and check it out. So we're going to go inside and we're going to see what's what. Of course, right when we pull up, 10 other people show up. And as you can see, this place isn't very big. So we'll see what they have inside though once we go in. Hang tight, we'll be right back. Alright, so it's not very big in here as you can see, but we got lots of good stuff here. We have prepackaged beef jerky. I don't know how much is in there. 15 count sticks, 12 count jerky. These are jalapeno. They have a variety. They have original jalapeno. That looks good. $12 a case. It's a case of these little packages. Ooh, hot and spicy smoked sausage. They have Mike's Hot Honey. Those look pretty good. So, looks like they have the normal selection of stuff that you can find in the stores, but it is a lot cheaper, that's for sure. Like these bags in the stores are usually about $15 to $18, only $12 here. Pretty good deal down here for $4. But what I'm really interested in is over here against the wall, they have giant, looks like pepperoni sticks perhaps. This lady has some here. Look how big those are. We're gonna have to go check those out because that definitely caught my eye. Oh, and you can never go wrong with these. These are great. My favorite, the teriyaki. That's a very reasonable price for that many big ones. $13. And we have all mixed up jerky. Kind of like the factory ends. They just take all the different kinds of leftover jerky and put them in a bag. Alright, this is what we were looking for here. So check this out. They have different kinds. That's teriyaki right away here. I think I want to get one of these. Yeah, for sure, man. Alright, so look at these things. That's got to be a good 2 feet long there. They're super huge. And then over here you've got all kinds of Jacobson seasonings and everything. Lots of really good stuff. Alright. And looks like they're really pushing the apparel. You got a lot of shirts. For those of you that like to collect shirts, I'll give you a view of your choices here. Uh-oh, that one's out of stock. No more of that one. But we got a lot of these. Alright. So So there you have it. They have a lot of yummy beef jerky in here. Not any cheese really. I'm kind of surprised they don't have any cheese. Well, I guess it's just the smoker though, so that makes sense. All right, so let me pay for this and then we'll finish up. All right, so that's a pretty good deal. 25 bucks for this. The producer decided to get this as well. So we're gonna go step outside here so we can get away from the crowd a little bit. You can see it's a beautiful day here along the Oregon coast. So if I can have I would really like to try one of these right now, but it's kind of a vacuum sealed thing and I don't want to open it all because I'm definitely not going to eat the entire thing right now before we go have lunch. So, but just to satiate everyone's curiosity, I'm going to open this one. We'll try it out real quick. So hang tight while I open it up. Okay, so the good thing about this is you can see the bag is resealable. So we'll set that aside for a minute. Here's what it looks like. It looks delicious. It's nice and soft. It's not real dry and leathery like some jerkies. And that's very good. So we definitely have a winner if you want some jerky or some pepperonis on the cheaper side and you're in the area of Garibaldi, Oregon. You should definitely do yourself a favor and stop by here. It's definitely got some yummy stuff at really good prices. So, until we get back with the next video, please hit that thumbs up. Click on the subscribe, it's free. We're trying to creep up to 500 subscribers. So help me out, come on. And share the video with someone so they can check it out too. And as always, until the next one, everyone, peace.